Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have permission and the exact QR image you need. This prevents legal or ethical issues. Next, make sure your device is unlocked and you can open the camera or a trusted scanning app. Once done, position the QR in frame or open the saved image and keep the area well lit so the code reads cleanly. These early actions reduce errors and protect both your data and privacy as you proceed. You scan the code using the built-in camera or a reputable QR app. This reveals the encoded content so you can see exactly what it contains. Make sure you read the full decoded text before copying anything. QR content can include plain text, Wi-Fi credentials, or a URL. If it shows a password, treat it as sensitive and avoid sharing. If it shows a link, do not follow unknown URLs. Instead, verify the issuer to ensure safety. Once you see the password or credential, immediately store it in a trusted password manager so you don't rely on the QR itself. After storing, delete or securely archive the QR image to prevent accidental exposure. If scanning fails or the content looks corrupted, contact the original issuer and request a fresh QR or manual credential reset. Never use third-party decoding tricks. This final step closes the loop and keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.